Welcome to Toolhive. In this video, we will see how to connect Toolhive into your existing CRIBWISE account and explore the Toolhive-CRIBWISE interface. When you log into the Toolhive application, you will see the My Items tab opened by default, where you can see all your tool item-related data. To connect your CRIBWISE account, you need to go to the Account Settings and select Integrations and Plugins option. There on the top, you will see CRIBWISE Integration section. You can click on CRIBWISE Connect button to begin the interface setup. After reading the information, carefully proceed further by clicking on Next to Configuration button. Here, you need to insert your unique CRIBWISE API key and click on Finalize Connection. Within few seconds, your CRIBWISE account will be successfully connected to Toolhive. After that, you can click on Go to your CRIBWISE inventory. Here you can see all your Toolhive items which are waiting to sync inventory data from CRIBWISE. You need to make sure that articles with same item IDs are also created in CRIBWISE and have correct stock information. You can select all articles and click on Match with Toolhive. CRIBWISE will transfer all your stock-related data for released items into Toolhive. You can update or remove this integration as and when required. Thank you for watching.